What is the one word for a quality belonging to or characteristic of an entity? The correct answer is attribute. What is the one word for climb awkwardly, as if by scrambling? The correct answer is clamber. What is the one word for easily handled or managed? The correct answer is docile. What is the one word for not disposed or willing to believe, unbelieving? The correct answer is incredulous. What is the one word for so celebrated as to having taken on the nature of a myth? The correct answer is legendary. What is the one word for turn away or aside? The correct answer is avert. What is the one word for marked by a lack of interest? The correct answer is indifferent. What is the one word for a person or thing having the same function as another? The correct answer is counterpart. What is the one word for the power or right to give orders or make decisions? The correct answer is authority. What is the one word for the killing of animals as for food? The correct answer is slaughter. What is the one word for a superior skill learned by study and practice? The correct answer is prowess. What is the one word for sturdy and strong in form, constitution, or construction? The correct answer is robust. What is the one word for sharply exact or accurate or delimited? The correct answer is precise. What is the one word for invulnerable to fear or intimidation? The correct answer is intrepid. What is the one word for sudden shock or dismay that causes confusion? The correct answer is consternation. What is the one word for compel or deter by or as if by threats? The correct answer is intimidate. What is the one word for force somebody to do something? The correct answer is oblige. What is the one word for enthusiastic approval? The correct answer is acclaim. What is the one word for pleasant in manner and appearance? The correct answer is personable. What is the one word for seek information from? The correct answer is consult.